Hello guys, welcome back to another weekly outlook. If you're new, welcome. This is Pledge. I'll be going over what I'll be looking to see in the forex market this coming week. I'd appreciate if you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified whenever I release these videos, because I release them weekly. With that, let's get into it. So, as always, we got to look at the economic calendar to see what's going to be impacting the pairs that we're going to be trading. As we can see, no news on Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday is going to be busy for the euro, pound, CAD, as well as the dollar. On Thursday, it's going to be for the dollar, and Friday, the dollar as well. So we can see that we have red news. So we'll just have to see how opportunities present, then take our positions from there. So with that, let's get into the charts. So quick update on the DXY. We were expecting this type of move, but it didn't happen. So this coming week, this past week, they actually took out this low. They actually took out this low. So what's going to be, what I'll be expecting this coming week is for them to take out this liquidity right at the previous week high. I'm still expecting the same movement on the DXY, which is further sells right to where then I'm expecting them to come here, because I'm expecting them to come to this level. So I'm still pretty much bearish on the DXY, though them taking out this low and as well as taking out this one. We'll just have to see and react to how they plan to play out this coming week. So with that, let's see what the euro and the pound is telling us. We can see that the euro took out this high. After taking out this high, they took out this high, then they took out this high, and we can see that this is a impulse into the liquidity. Then they started selling, which is a clear indication of liquidity swipe. So what I'd be actually be expecting this coming week is for them to, I'm still expecting the same play. They gave us this one where they took out the liquidity, right? They took out liquidity, and now I'm expecting a similar movement to what I was expecting last week, is for them to come. I'm still expecting them to come and fall on this mitigation, then start seeing bearish order flow to the upside, bullish order flow to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting this coming week on EurUsd as well as between the two areas, right? Because this one is already made for, they already took out the liquidation. So between the two, I'd be expecting them to fall in between here. Then I'd be looking for buys if they fall on a good day. So this is what I'm seeing on the euro dollar. So on the pound to dollar, I'm looking to see it's actually similar to the euro dollar. So what I'm expecting this coming week is just similar to the euro dollar. I'm expecting them to come. Still, they did the exact same thing. Impulse. Then they had this for our order block, right? See, with a reference to this, right? Planning to see a reaction from here, but then they only took out this high, right? So this coming week, I could be expecting something like this. I could be expecting them to come to this mitigation area between these zones for further push to the upside. I'm still looking to see this. So they took out the liquidity, hoping for them to come into a area of which we're expecting them to come to, then for a further push to the upside and fall on this area, right? So, or depending on how they open, they could actually come out and take out this high, then fall on this area, then start dropping. So it's also a possibility. But then what I'm actually expecting for them to actually go to this area is for them to come to the zone, then start giving us bullish order flow and fall on these imbalances and order block. So that's my idea on what I'm expecting to see on the pound to dollar. On the dollar CAD this coming week, as the dollar is going to be bullish to sell on the mitigation, I'm expecting this type of movement for them to fall on a mitigation, then to sell. So on the dollar CAD, I could actually be expecting a similar movement. This past week, they inverted this fair value. They thrust to the upside, came back into it, then went further to the upside. So what I could be actually expecting this coming week is for them to create as this to take out this previous week high, fall on this FEG, which you all can see, then stop dropping to at least this OB, right? As well as this one, and maybe take out this low. So it's the things that I'm expecting to see this coming week on the dollar CAD. So it's just simple, straightforward. That's what I'm expecting on the dollar CAD. So as we can see on gold, this previous week they actually took out this. They took out this high, right? So, and they gave us strong sells. So what I could actually be expecting, because on the 4 hour, I'm seeing a lot of information. So to narrow it down, I'm going to go to the daily. So on the daily, Monday, I'm expecting them to at least create some sort of fair value, because there's no news on Monday. So I could actually be expecting them to form an FEG right now. So I could be expecting them to create an FEG, so for them to trade into. So we just have to see. So that's what I'm going to be working with, and maybe they could actually come and fall on this mitigation, even though they already used the one, the closest one. Yeah, they already used this mitigation to push to the upside. So we could be expecting to see some sort of movement into this area for us to sell, but then we'll just have to see how they open and how they'll try to play price on with the fib retracement. We could actually be expecting to see something like this, which is a mitigation also here, and the 50% retracement is in that daily FEG, of which potentially could give us on Monday to trade into during the week for further sales. So we'll just have to see. So I could be actually be expecting something like this, right? Something like this for them to trade into. So that's what I'm expecting for this coming week, even though on gold there isn't much information for us to actually say we can predict or have a thesis on. So that's what I'll be expecting this coming week. So those are my trading ideas for this coming week. I hope this video helps you guys. And as always, guys, with that, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you see this video helping somebody else, feel free to share it. With that one, guys, peace till the next one.